omuntu nga Bobi Wine yandigambye nti I'm going to shift the economy from 1% of Ugandans to 10. How? I'm going to block ababba sente ngenda kukola kino ngenda ku pluginga sente zifuluma Uganda zaba investors babba mu Uganda. This is what I wish I had time but you want to talk to those people tebagala kogana babbi abagala kuba even if Bobi Wine came here simwetaga ko sinti andekere 1 million. I just want not to advise them.
I think the problem we have chetwatandise nakyo kiwagambye nti abazungu bakyatufuga because the president mwenyini yetaga their support kusigala nga akyaliwo. That's why tasobola kuziba bituli ebyo. Kyagulanyi mwenyini he needs their support. Bazungu tasobola kola campaign ngeraga nti agenda kuba blocking. I think that's where the problem is. Abazungu. That means truly we're not economically independent. I mean, it was even more economically independent. Exactly. I mean, yali yemara. Yagenda Saudi nagamati. I want a university in Mbale. I'm telling you. I mean, he went and told Saudi king into Twagala University in Mbale. They brought the university here. Bamuja konga university bajirese. That's what they call it. Biden, I want this in this. I want this. I think again dogendanga even abakozi bacha basasula mu dollars. Exactly. Ruto ngabo yagamati. I want you to develop Kenya. I want to be a partner with you. Kenya. The man is going to build a military base. Military base is 8% like Mungwanga. If you have 30,000 American troops in Kenya, in Mombasa, our serikali ba America mitwalo mika. Industries Kenya zina museli bafuna dollar. Serikali mwafuna dollar mitwalo 5 umwezi. He spends $10,000 every month in Kenya. Bali bantu mitwalo 8. Kwache economy te. So those are the plans. Kasitaba nga tagenda chikola kululwengo omuntu kubako bye. So our president taina ba advise and government wano nakasongo na good budget batya Kalangala. These islands on Victoria. Those are good strategic places for building military bases zabazungu zino. Bakuletera amamedi gamanye gano bachimba kula mu training yawe preparing for war. Twali bonye na kutwala bantu kubagoba ku nyanja ku Mvubambi. Kiri cyali bande kibagoba ko choka.